Hi, it's Ms. Maney. I am here to teach you how to use another free online music source. This one is especially great for older grades. So I would say fourth grade or up. So fourth grade, fifth grade, sixth, seventh, or eighth grade. This is super fun. I enjoy using it as an adult as well. It's called Incredibox. So as usual, I am sharing my Google screen with you. My home screen is just google.com. And I'm going to use the Google search to get me to where I need to be. And this is called Incredibox. 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 And we are going to go ahead and just click on the word, that main link that came up first, Incredibox. And I'm going to move myself over just a little bit so I can say that I understand. We're sharing cookies. We're going to go ahead and try web version. There is an app. I have not downloaded the app, so I cannot testify how the app works. I would assume it's something similar, but I have only used the website. So this is the main screen that you get to, and you need to select a version to start making music. And I believe some of these are still locked, but you have the choice of, looks like the top 4 you can choose. So let's go ahead. We're just going to start with Alpha, that first one. It's in black and white. We're going to click that. And the screen looks pretty similar no matter which version you clicked on. So how you use this, how you play it is pretty consistent. And so we're going to go ahead and press the play button to get us on in there. And it starts like this. And basically, you have these 7 guys in front of you, and you are going to choose one of these things down here. These are actually t-shirts that you're going to go ahead and drag onto him. So let's go ahead and drag. Let's start with this one. Put on the middle guy. And each t-shirt makes a sound. So hopefully you can hear that sound. I'm going to turn it up a little bit. And we're going to keep building sounds on top of one another. So let's go ahead and choose another one. I'm going to choose this one over here, bottom right. Drag it to this guy. So you can tell we already have a little bit of that hip-hop vibe to it. If you are currently a 5th grader or a 6th grader, you have learned about hip-hop from me. Let's go ahead and add another one. And it's just building these sounds on top of each other. And there's going to be some beatboxing involved as well. Let's see if we can find a beatboxer. Here we go. Gives us a little bit more of a rhythmic background there. And you just keep dragging shirts on them. Let's go ahead and add two more t-shirts onto the guys. This one too. And there we have created kind of our own unique little song. It's almost like a background track that you could use for something else. If you are happy with that, you could leave it. But if you want to change some things, let's say we want to get rid of this last guy. We just put our cursor over him and go ahead and press the X so he stops doing that. And then you could put a different t-shirt on for a different sound. So I'm going to pause it for now. Top right hand has a pause button. So I just went ahead and paused it. I'm going to show you something though. There is a little bit of a game that we could add to it. Ooh. Let me pause it. There's a little bit of a game we can add to it. Notice the top, there's this almost like a candle right here on the left-hand side, and then there's 2 circles that have locks on them. So we could build different sounds using the recommendations. So if we can figure out what they want the sound to sound like for this one, it will unlock the next one. And by creating that sound, it will kind of segue us into a music video. I'm not sure if that makes sense, But let me demonstrate and kind of show you what I mean. I'm going to go back and press play. I put my cursor over the candle and I press down, and you can see that 2 of them are lit up. These are the ones we want to keep, but the other ones that went black, we want to get rid of those. So let's go ahead and take these off. I knew, yeah. Notice also when I press down on this candle that there are 3 t-shirt designs that light up at the bottom and everything else is blank. Those are the t-shirt designs that we want to utilize to create this sound they want us to achieve. So one of them was this, one of them was this, and the last one was this. Here we go. And you can see I unlocked something. Bonus completed. Click on the green icon to watch the video clip. Got it. And that candle is now green and it's bumping to the music. So let's go ahead and press that. And it segues into this music video type thing. And then it unlocks the next one for us. So now if we choose, we can go ahead and strive to make this sound that they want us to create. Again, I just put my cursor over the anchor, clicked on it, and I hold down my mouse, and it shows me what ones to keep and what ones to get rid of. So both outside and the inside guy I want to keep, but those 4 between I want to get rid of. So let's go ahead and get rid of their sounds. And if we press the anchor again, it'll show us what t-shirts to drag to get the desired sound that they want. So one of them is this. And the other one is over here. And we got it. Now, of course, we could add some more sounds to it if we wanted to, because we already achieved it. And we have 2 extra guys. That's fun. Alright, well, let's go ahead and click on the anchor since it's green and it's flashing at us and see what this video is. And then we could go on and do the same thing with this evergreen tree. Now that was just the first version. So let's see if we can go back to reset. See if we can go back and find, oh, here we go, home. And let's see if we can go back to versions, bottom left-hand corner. So that was the first one, that was the alpha. Let's go ahead and try Little Miss. And it's just going to be the same setup, but now we're going to have different sounds that we can use to create different background tracks. So once it loads, you will see. I'm going to press the play button to get us on in there. Same design, right? This is exactly what we saw before, but the designs for the shirts have changed. So let's go ahead and just get started. Let's go ahead and put his heart on this guy. And that's what that sounds like. Let's go ahead and build upon it. That's fun. All right, let's do another one. This guy. That's fun. And let's do this last one. It's a little loud. Let's go ahead and keep building on these sounds and see if we can come up with something we enjoy. Clover on this guy. That's nice. And this one is like, oh, this is also looking like a clover, so let's do this. cats match. All right, one more sound is all we have to add. This is cool. So if we wanted to, we could press on the star up here to kind of play that game to unlock some music videos. Or we could just kind of keep playing around. You don't have to do that. You don't get anything out of it if you unlock them all. It's just something to try for. I kind of like phasing them out to hear the sound get smaller and smaller. And that's what I always started with. Huh? So that's just another way you can play with it. Again, all the versions are similar. They just have different sounds to them. And to find those, you just go back home, top right, and you can go bottom left for versions. And that's where you can change your version. All right. So again, this is Incredibox, incredibox.com. Really great for 4th grade, 5th grade, 6th grade, 7th grade, 8th grade, and adults. So enjoy, have fun, good luck.